So today I'll be talking about specifically how we work with food and agricultural companies and how that can improve their supply chain health. Hi, my name is Patrick. I'm the U.S. Partnerships Manager at FORLIANCE. I work with companies where reforestation can improve the long-term health of their supply chains and/or it can help offset their emissions. So if there's a land use change, let's say a forest is cut down surrounding these farms, that is going to create changes that affect the entire landscape. One way to think about it is it's really going to affect every single level, below and above ground and on the land. So if we're talking below ground, it's going to cause major changes to the soil and have it degrade, and it could erode as well. Additionally, it will change water cycles below the ground, so like reservoirs, and that can make it more difficult to water your plants. And then on top of the land, water changes where it can change waterways, for example. And then once we talk above the ground, there could be major changes to air quality and also changes to the microclimates where it could rain less. So these changes affect every single level. And for FORLIANCE, we develop reforestation projects. For example, an improved forest management project in Mexico where we work with local ejidos, or our reforestation project where we work with ranchers in Colombia. And through these projects, we restore these natural water cycles that can make it easier to irrigate the croplands, but also stabilize the local climate. This model is already working. Nestle is partnering with Cargill and ETG to plant a couple million shade trees across tens of thousands of cocoa farms, investing on a landscape level and a supply chain level. So by planting these trees, this is expected to improve the long-term health and stability of these farms and therefore of their supply chains. In conclusion, these are strategic partnerships where we identify key watersheds and key ecosystems that your supply chains depend on. We work with those local communities to restore these degraded lands, and then we get to see improved supply chain resilience, improved regulatory compliance, and the carbon benefits as well.